In the previous video, we introduced variables as programming concept. We covered data, data types, and data operations as part of the concept. In this video, we introduce the conditionals. Remember that a computer program is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. So far, we learned to instruct a computer to calculate data and compare data. Despite its ability to run data operation very fast, it's still a dumb machine that does only what we tell it to do. Wouldn't it be nice to give it a logical brain so that it can decide for itself when to run the data operation? Conditionals add logic to a computer program. Suppose we want to learn Spanish. The class may not be available, so our second choice is French. A computer program might look like this. If Spanish class is available, sign up Spanish class. Else sign up French class. This is a conditional statement, where the condition is the availability of the class. If the condition is true, the statement under the if clause runs. If the condition is false, the statement under the else clause runs. The condition is a Boolean expression which resolves to either true or false. Now suppose we want to make dessert with leftover fruits. Our first choice is to make apple pie if there are apples. If there are no apples, but there are bananas, make banana split. If there are no apples and no bananas, make smoothie. A computer program might look like this. If apples exist, make apple pie. Else if bananas exist, make banana split. Else, make smoothie. The else if condition is checked only when the previous conditions are false. The else clause runs when all of the above conditions are false. For every new condition, we can add additional else if statements, like this. Now suppose we want to add comment based on the test score. From what we learned, we can do something like this. Notice the second line. We have a compound condition here because the score falls between two values. Let's see how this looks in a computer program. If score is 80 or higher, print very good. Else if score is 70 or higher, and 79 or lower, print satisfactory. Else, print unsatisfactory. The AND operator combines the result of two conditions. Both conditions have to be true for the whole condition to be true. The AND operator can combine compound conditions like this. All conditions have to be true for the whole condition to be true. Otherwise, it's false. Let's look at a video game example. If player's lives is 0, or player quits, game over. Else, replay. In this case, or operator combines the result of two conditions. Either condition has to be true for the whole condition to be true. Or operator can combine compound conditions, like this. All conditions have to be false for the whole condition to be false. Otherwise, it's true. Here is a set of print statements and an if conditional statement. The instructions run, line by line, until the if conditional is reached. If the condition is true, the instructions inside the conditional run, line by line. Afterwards, the instructions outside resume. If the condition is false, the instructions inside are skipped. The instructions outside resume. The if conditional statements are also called the control flow statements because it controls the flow of the code. You'll see more of control flow when we talk about the loops concept in the next video.